Chuir Port Láirge agus An Clár tús buachtain na bhachtaí Sraith an tatan scate. Ach ní bhah aon deis chun na maidí ligean le sroch. An manach David Fitzgerald Brian Lohan les as bouta dó. Bhí mac darmat donacha agus níos de baldrathe a barci Breathnaigh den ceann seo.
Ní len chuig fiú trocht or hín seo, lágad des ach an fork bog amach agus an chellah ag Port Láirge láthra agus ag Neil Montgomery. Neil Montgomery fós an Green Gurrahege agus an Pascal Hishahege go dtí Sean Welch a cast a heart Brandon was Brook agus Éire Sean Welch which is if you're going to go let all. Colin Brashke finish it. Punchlas which is just spás an sin nach spás atá líonta an sin ag Cathal Malone. Cathal Malone teach trast in the park Ross on David Reedy teach trast in ish. Reedy gira eile ó Ian Kenny or Ian Galvin tá on agus he built or they get actually built a Jessica and score on Jessica Ian Galvin.
Cuishin anna for real agus Rish and Sean Tacky Sean Port Láirge gacht in attack amach sort agus Díreach Paddy Levy.
Paddy Levy ní ahemar tá gist an trot Paddy samsus cuilinn se can fadasteach. Seach dro Sean Welch agus immer Jessica Sean can éú to dribble Conor Cleary tá sí fós ag fós a córa tá cacha agus tá córa
Anna Cliste agus bhí mé ar tíra an úsáid a háiste de buint as Paddy Levy agus ní minic fan go bheith an héndó Anna chuid céim ag Sean Welch.
Cin bhega, bhí si beg. Tá an seileamh cáilte, what rash ráid Conor Lean rash go Conor Ella, Conor Cleary machar tíomh. Anna Virginia Galvin a chur a ráid seo. Sean Shanson-ish. Ag Sean Wren, she put all ag Sean Wren, Shannon score as far as An Clár go dtí Seanneo. Agus caifrid hanneamhach an seo. Gan bheith íontach tanneamhach mar sin hain.
Yeah, you kept me going and drunkle sort of Corristock or an Lewis, maar ta Anna could schlitter maha dol sort Tras Park and shit she'd stoppe. Agus sin Anna could clipper team or how rot going Cooplor.
Roger Conor Ryan and a Corrai. Sin an Europort and Chinnig Patrick Curran. Patrick Abola Harry Traston. Ní bheith rá an enam dé ná fós fa seo. Ní rá.
God fa sin.
David McInerney an amónaí. Bud ráige agus an Chelmantona sé Cian Galvin agus a beidir rá le chruacha sin sin sacha tá sí mé Harry Traston.
Well, bhí sin an yes, score úntaach an sin, an bres an air an goáil san air an sin a bhí go húntaach, ní acamar sin go dí seo go fóil, agus sin féchar seo in orda leis ar aus an sin, ó McInerney agus an sin a ráig an seo, agus Harry Traston score úntaach an sin a Cian Galvin, ceapan gur bhúil sé Sean O'Brien sa ceann.
Tá Kate van Gael go dí seo, Cúig bhfuil is ír, Cúig Cúlín. Scóir Sean Sean or Slitter Sean Wren butráid Cathal Malone blockal tá her Borichin, but the rush ag Cathal Malone ríis mind she sin Harry Traston, sin art score Cathal Malone.
Doch Cretan sin mar bhí me Díreach an Rahal Neil Montgomery dhéann go húntaach an sin an blockall ar dús féchar seo ach an sin smachta ríis a Cathal Malone, is stigar a héamh clé. Élan có géir le sin féin, like ar an Dave Lína féin ardán, sin scored an sco.
Kylie agus give us stop cornish le David McInerney Canchan Trasta agus is machti ar dar iirecht agus cosíocht an das chin which is mé har Trasta on tá score all ag chin key ag Sean Wren Chacht on Ordon Paddy Levy ish and Pascal Trasta ige Chacht Chonish Long rules for the Conor Ryan for Shakanta Gada, and the Nish can't fight against the Darla.
Yeah, tá Conor Igimmer go húntaach an seo sa Darla for rá Cort buaicphointí cúpla cúlín ige anna chuid slitter buúta agus é tacht amach browsach funnavach anmha agus ríis flick beag ó Paddy Levy há lárnach an anna chuid rí neadar cévid shelva há fáite Paddy agus cévid flick de chumán á dénta
Mark Fitzgerald, Mark Erlina Carcha Cúig, Mark Adol Traston and Paddy Levy. Paddy, which I can wula, Paddy a bola father, August Paddy a bola, Harry Traston.
Now be a kind fin rud is on of his own to Colino Paddy Levy, because Arthur Ochto Noka Slot. Ní minic a bheith mi de sin ó Paddy Levy ach bhí an Clár éis gachtain a haring siar.
Is bad nach cós go ré Gorka. agus that need a cooling one in the foreign Shahrish, and she's the Shelf and Shahrish, agus a limber tucker contalon. Darren Lyons being Chen, Fataka Stachama, or dear Derek. Agus Shelf reached. Agus to the Ed McCarthy a bowler go skipway, Tashi Bojo just again McCarthy, put a hauling again McCarthy. Benny. Shelf force reach. Darren Lyons in it. Tuskelchella goalies, Tuskelchella can't find the gcluiche, Toshigama, or a blast on. On scoring Darren Lyons. Dollar hitting along the clay. Gary go hard the chin, Harbor Garage. Sheehy. Touch last of us on the Port Láirge. Seinnteoir. Neil, Tasha Hart, Tanado Germach, Johinberg, Touch last again. Score Dermach on chop. Port Láirge hen is Sheideog, come back Lord, nod a fiche.
What pleased you most of today?
Look, I suppose the attitude coming down here. You know, you need to be right there, and you need to be tuned into it. And in fairness to the guys, you know, even the likes of John now making his first day, and so committed to it and played really well. So, I suppose just the way that we kept going, kept working really hard, and showing that bit of composure, taking the scores and finishing out the game.
What you're due to do now is to get to present Sean with the award. Sean, happy with that?
Yeah, delighted now. It's good to get the games in. It's my first game the last day. I probably wasn't as happy with that, but yeah, it felt good today now. The lads giving me the ball and I was just passed it on.
Starting off, how important is it to have, we'll say, experienced teammates like each side of you?
Oh yeah, it's massive. Yeah, it's good that the boys there, like they're talking to me full time. It's kind of just me trying to ease myself into these games, not trying to do anything special, and listen to the lads. So that's it really.
I saw a lot of commitment, character. That was important. I think the whole game for us hinged on the 15 minutes after half time. We lost our way for 15 minutes. We did it last week. Like, I know last week we were well in control of that game. There was that 15-17 minute spell last week that cost us. We missed 2 open goals, 5 frees last week that we should be converting. I know we got 1 or 2 easy ones, but we need to be converting them. That 15 minutes today after half time, that was the game. As the game was going on, we were the better team finishing. There's no doubt about that. And small bit unlucky not to get a chance to get the equaliser at the end.